Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge. Oxford Reading Tree, Stage 1. The story is Six in a Bed. Let's see what is in the story. First, understand the story. Here you can see in the picture, mom and dad are reading books in their bed, and inside of the room at the door, the keeper is standing and he also has a book in his hand. Wish what? So he wants to come inside the room. He wants to listen the story. Here you can see now mom and dad left their books and they are busy to tell the story. And Chip is standing outside of the room. He has a toy. He has his stuffed toy. So he also wants to come in. Now you can see there are four. All they are busy in the story and Chip is pointing out to the story. So they are happy now. Biff also wants to come in and he also has a teddy bear in her hand. Now all their whole family is in the bed and they are busy in the stories. Mom or dad are telling stories and dad are telling story to the kids. Now only Floppy is left, that is outside of the room. So he also wants to come in the room and play with them. It is their pet dog. So at the moment when he jumped on the bed, there is much load on the bed and the leg of bed broke. So everyone is surprised that what happened. Now you read with me and you can see the number of the people while they are sitting in the bed. Mom and dad. Now you can see mom, Kipper and dad. Now there are four: mom, Kipper, dad and Chip. Now there are five: Biff, mom, Kipper, dad and Chip. And all they are sitting and Floppy. Here are the questions. Read the title together and count how many people are in the bed. The title of book is Six in a Bed and there are only two persons in the bed. There are, if we talk about the whole family, there are five persons. Next question, ask the students what might happen in the story through the book and talk about the picture. Mom and dad, Biff, Kipper, Chip, Floppy. You also can ask the question, did they enjoy the story? Do they have pet in their home? Do they read books? Do they listen stories from their elders? Do they listen stories all together? Or they listen stories separately? So this kind of question. Talk about the order that the children came into the bed. If we see, first came into the room Kipper, and at the second number Chip, on the third number Biff. So first came Kipper, then Chip, and after that in the last Biff. Ask your child if they can remember what Biff was carrying when she came to see mom and dad. So Biff was carrying a kind of teddy bear. Yes. When she came into the room, she was carrying a teddy bear in her hand. Ask your child to explain what happened at the end of the story. So at the end of the story, there is much load on the bed. So one side of the bed is broken. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel, like the video and share it with your family and friends.